This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Isil Nevins. Discover the charm of this delightful 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath inside laundry room. Home nestled in a prime location in Titusville. Featuring granite kitchen countertop, updated bathroom vanities, seller doesn't pay customary closing cost including title policy, escrow fees, survey or transfer fees. Covered and screened in porch, ideal for gatherings with family and friends. Don't miss out on this home, offering both convenience and style in the heart of Titusville. Maybe qualified VA Financing Vendee program. $143,147. For more information, review the details below or contact Isil Nevins at 321-537-3956.